Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've done over 3,000 reviews, so I know a thing or two about what to tell you. And yeah, so today I'm doing something that's a little bit on the cutting edge. It's a variety here in the US that I haven't seen anything about. And my buddy Robert over at dadbert.com sent me these and some other ones. And I think he's in a test market, honestly, which is cool. But yeah, we have cup noodles souped up. If you've seen this around, let me know. I mean, I don't want to be delusional about him being in a test market or that kind of thing, but this particular variety is savory shrimp flavor, and there's shrimp in it. Kind of like there's souped up and there's very veggie. And very veggie has loads of vegetables, which is rad. And souped up has basically more meat and a wider noodle, I think. Pretty sure this noodle's wider. I could be wrong. We'll see. And what I kind of wish is if they would juxtapose the two and have all those extra vegetables, all that extra stuff, and come out with something like Cup Noodles Ultimate, Cup Noodles Cut Above, Cup Noodles Platinum, Cup Noodles Gold, Cup Noodles Supreme, Cup Noodles Supremo, Cup Noodles, instead of souped up, reloaded, Cup Noodles Fully Loaded. I mean, there's so many options. But basically, it's just, I'm guessing, a matter of having a machine add more stuff in. So, but yeah, I'd love to see that. I think that'd be really groovy. Especially with how good the very veggie is. I think going all out and doing all that kind of stuff would be great. Anyway, enough of me and that. Let's cook this up. It's gonna take a spin in the microwave for 2.5 minutes, and then it stands for a minute, and you put room temp water with it. So that'll be fun. Let's make some room temperature water. I know how to do that. Do you? I'm sure you do. Do you know the ambient temperature in your room? Yeah, that's good enough. I don't, but I know what my finger tells me. My finger tells me if I'm running water and I don't feel it, that's pretty much, is it hot? Is it cold? I can't tell. Come on, a little more hot. Right about, we have it a little less cold. A little more cold. Definitely a little more cold. A little less cold. Right about there. Alright, here we go. And then, what did I say? 2.5 minutes? 2.5 minute spin. And then it'll chill for a minute. Now, for a dude who really likes to see things cook, let's see if this works alright. Put it really close up there. Yeah! Oh, that's cool. And you can see my reflection in it. Wow, what a cinematic tour de force we have here today, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, what's going on today? Miles just went to school. Miri has been extra clingy and whiny. If I wasn't holding her, she was having a huge fit. I mean, I love my daughter dearly. I like holding her, and she's great. But, you know, I like to be able to get up and go to the bathroom, move. So, yeah, she was a little picky today. A little needy, as it were. Yeah, what else is going on? I wonder if you can even, I mean, I probably should be like way up close, huh? I don't know if you can even hear me with all that racket. Oh, you can probably, yeah, you can see the cam. Can you see the noodles rotating in the microwave? I'm unsure of that. Might be a pointless endeavor. I can see them. They're right there. Yeah. But yeah, that little, this thing right here. Let's see. Yeah, that thing is the camera that I've been using all this time. It's a 360 cam, and it's, yeah, I'm having trouble seeing that cup in there as it rotates. Well, that's no fun. Maybe you're not, though. I guess we'll see. But anyways, yeah, we're down to 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, and it needs another minute of time to kind of sort things out with itself. So we're going to set the timer for a minute. Actually, we're going to set it for more like 46 seconds. Feels like maybe it was that long between the time it beeped and that. So that's what we're doing. I'm down with that. I think that sounds like a good plan. Don't you? You agree? You don't have any choice. Yeah, so souped up shrimp. Sounds like a plan to me. They're still painting the buildings, doing all sorts of crazy stuff, running around with ladders. It's like I'm sitting there and then I look over out the window and there's just like these ladders running around. All right, here we go. It's time to soup it up, as it were. Okay. Grab it like up here. Don't grab it below when you take it out of the microwave if you get some of these. Because it's hot. Did you know? Food coming out of the microwave can be hot and burn your fingers. The more you know. So there we are. I'll give it a nice stir. A stir of niceness. Looks like the noodles might be a little broader. I'm unsure. Let's have a look. If you're saying, how can you be unsure? You're the Ramen Rater. You know everything. No, I don't. I don't remember everything, at least. I think these might be the same as the... Come on! As the very veggie. Alright, let's give this a try. Okay. The broth. Not bad. See if we can find a shrimp. Wow, that was quick. Right? No, that's not a shrimp. It seems to me I should be able to find a shrimp really quick. Let's put it in the bowl. Well. It looks nice. It tastes pretty good too. I'm not finding any shrimp at the moment. Perhaps they're on holiday. They're having a shrimpy holiday, ladies and gentlemen. That time of year for a shrimp holiday. So yeah. So what am I going to add to it, you ask? Well, I can't think of a lot. This already has a lot of stuff with it. So here's some spring onion. And the last bits of my bag of crispy onions. And they're all gone. But I have another bag, so that's good. And why not some sesame seeds? That'll give it a nice little look. Sesame seeds are really neat because you can do pretty much, you can put them on almost everything and they give a nice little extra flair, I suppose. So yeah, there you have it. And it's all souped up. I mean, if you look at it, I mean, that looks like a way heartier broth and a lot of stuff going on. So I'm cool with that. And it tastes good. So I'm going to have to do a detailed shrimp hunt, which I am actually going to do that. You might think I'm nuts, and I am, because that's what I do. I will look in varieties that say that they've got extra stuff, and if I can't find it, I'll do a count. So, all right, well, cool. Thank you very much to dadbert.com, DADBERT.com, to Robert for shooting this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at these videos. And look at them often. There's a lot more stuff going on. Please subscribe. Really appreciate it when people subscribe. And yeah, mellow. Have a good one. Bye.